In this video, as you watch me unpack the Smart Woodshop and set it up, you'll see that it really is not only mobile, it's portable. Very easy for one person, me, to completely tear it down, pack it up, and then get to where I'm going and set it up. If you want to get any of these plans to build a Smart Woodshop or one of the workbenches, go over to the Smart Woodshop. I'll put a link in the description of this video down below, and go to Ron's store. There you'll find a place to order the plans. Click on any of the plans you want, but take note that there are some packages. So if you want more than one, see if there's a package already put together. Each plan that's in a package is listed, and you'll save a little bit. Back at Ron's store, if you scroll down past where you click on to order plans, you'll notice there's another link, and this one you can order the Polk Smart Bench in a knockdown version in a box, shipped to your door, ready to assemble. A little further down you'll find affiliate links. These are for tools and materials, and only tools and materials that I personally use. Mahalo for hanging out in the Smart Woodshop.